Hello, Marcia. Hello, everyone.
Oh,
Um,
hello.
it's so good to see everybody. And, as Marcia is handing over the baton, I am really grateful for this opportunity to join you today to share special recognition that Marcia so very much deserves. As a member of the legislature now for nearly a decade and as chair of the Senate Healthcare Committee, I've had the just distinct pleasure of working with Marcia to further our shared goal of healthcare for all in the state of Washington. And for those of you, I know you all know Marcia, I don't have to tell you, she is a strong advocate. She is proactive, she is patient, she is soft-spoken, but she is tenacious, she's firm, she's strong, she's respectful, and she's always very positive. And it's really this unique combination of qualities that has made Marcia so successful on your behalf. And in Olympia, you all well understand that it's positive relationships built on trust, built on respect, that effectively get things done. And Marcia's attention to building those strong, enduring relationships, in my opinion, is exactly what has made Healthcare for All Washington really the leading voice on universal healthcare in this state. And, it's also, and I think someone else alluded to it as well, it's also her strong understanding of the legislative process and of the fact that, policy making has to first begin with building a really strong foundation in order to then be successful in the future and continue to drive toward that final goal. And oftentimes I think about how building policy and strong policy to me seems a lot like building a house. You have to first lay a firm foundation that's going to then support a sound structure. But laying a foundation takes meticulous work, and sometimes it's frustrating, particularly because that foundation is not always visible from the street. But it's absolutely essential if the house that you're building is going to stand the test of time. So Marcia, what I want to convey today to you is that the foundation that you have laid is going to allow for the sound structure to be built for the future that's going to stand the test of time. And from the passage of legislation to create the Universal Healthcare Work Group to all of the long hours spent participating in that work and ultimately putting forward recommendations that included the establishment of a permanent Universal Healthcare Commission. And then, of course, all of the hard work that went into passage this year of legislation that creates that commission, that the foundation's now, very firmly in place to really start putting the walls up, so to speak, and building that strong house going forward. So, Marcia, thank you for all your hard work. Thank you for making it possible for now others to continue work on the structure. And I'll just say, as Marcia hands the reins over to Ronnie, I certainly am at the ready to continue working together in a collaborative way to ensure that we don't lose focus on that final goal that we see up ahead. So thank you for allowing me this opportunity to take a moment to really acknowledge and thank you, Marcia, for all that you've accomplished. You've been such an effective partner, such a tremendous advocate. I'm going to miss seeing you in Olympia regularly. If we ever get back to Olympia, I don't know if Olympia is even still there. I haven't been there for so long, but I'm going to assume that it is. And, I know that you're going to continue to be involved in the work ahead, and just thank you.
Thank you, Annette. Senator Cleveland. My friend, Annette. I appreciate your words. Thank you so much. And I will be involved. Don't worry.
Yep.